There were things like, if you've never been in hydrogen, it's the smallest molecular structure known to man.
Right.
It's also the lightest element known to man. So if I release it, it goes straight up as fast as it can travel, right? If I use traditional like stainless fuel lines like we use in cars or hot rods, it will permeate right through it.
Yeah.
To keep that hydrogen inside a stainless line, it has to be 1/4 inch wall.
Yeah.
Right? So every piece you have to look at. That tank, when full, is 350 bar, so 5,074 PSI.
Yeah.
Okay. It's got 2 safety valves. If it were to actually have something happen, it'll vent itself. If you set hydrogen on fire, we did a test with Bosch where we created a hydrogen leak and actually lit it. It goes up so fast and mixes with the atmosphere, put itself out.
Cleans itself, yeah.
Right? So there's a lot of misinformation. Everybody thinks about the Hindenburg, you know.
Because that was the paint that was burning, not the stuff inside, wasn't it?
Well, in the Hindenburg, they took a cloth balloon because they needed it light, but the hydrogen permeated right through the cloth. So they used 7 chemicals and then coated it with aluminum. So when they hit the power line, the aluminum created a short, blew a hole through it. There are very few pictures of when that happened in the Hindenburg. The hydrogen, you can see it escape and it goes straight up, right? Big flame, but it puts itself out. It burns 3 times as fast as gasoline. As far as we know, no one in the Hindenburg died from the fire. They died from it crashing. It got a lot of bad press. Still, the #1 question that people ask me today.
What if the real reason airships disappeared has nothing to do with safety and everything to do with what they could reach? The airship advantage. Early airships could travel thousands of miles, carry massive cargo, land almost anywhere, and float at low speeds over places airplanes can't go. And unlike modern aircraft, they didn't need runways. They were perfect for exploring the North Pole. The North Pole problem. But here's the strange part. Right when airships became powerful enough to reach the true North Pole easily, every major nation suddenly signed treaties limiting travel there. No fly zones, no expeditions. Almost like they didn't want people seeing what's actually there. Other civilizations, ice wall. Were airships getting too close to whatever lies beyond the ice? Ancient civilizations, a hidden landmass, something our maps used to show until the maps mysteriously changed. After flying became commercialized and restricted, something classified for the elite. Whereas before, during the airship's time, people had free and easy travel. Since airships vanished, we've actually lost capabilities. The giants of the past were more advanced than today's blimps, almost like we regressed instead of advancing. It makes you think who is writing our history books, and how could we possibly fact-check them? So the question is, did they stop airships, or stop us from reaching something?